Uyabona ke mase si-ready webaba uThamintuli ukudila nama-legal immigrants, illegal immigrants or ama-foreigner. Siyobe sesithi akekho uthisha ukusuka ngenyanga ezayo ozohamba eyofundisa oyi-foreigner. Sinothisha oqualified eSouth Africa ohleli ongenawo umsebenzi. Siyobe sithi akekho u-truck driver ozodrive i-truck la eSouth Africa. Kukhona o-driver that are qualified with PDP abahlele emakhaya bengase. So bese si-ready ukudila nama-foreigners. Siyobe sithi stop ukuthi flocking from your countries guys ukuze nizovula iy'tolo la. Bekhona abantu bala eSouth Africa abangakwazi ukurana iy'tolo. Then siyobe sesi-ready ukudila nama-illegal immigrants la eSouth Africa. Mase sifuna ukudila kahle nalento yama-foreign. Siyobe sithi nje akekho uthisha tertiary level emavasithi kuphi akekho uthisha oyofika alikho lecture elizofika akekho principal whosoever ozofika azofundisa noma abe khona euniversity. Kukhona abantu abala eSouth Africa who are qualified for those certain positions and they are sitting at home with their degrees. Siyobe sesi-ready ukudila nama-foreigners. But for now mansathi ayisebathi siyobe sithi ayikho ikhampani that will be able to qasha i-foreigner kunomuntu wala eSouth Africa that can occupy that position. Then siyobe sesi-ready ukudila nama-foreigners. But for now asikabe ready, sacula nje. The political party that will be ready to take South Africa will be a political party will say enough is enough about these foreigners and illegal immigrants. Then siyobe sesine-country ke lapho. But for now
South Africans, it is a morning. You know what is happening in our country? It's a movie. What is happening in our beautiful country, South Africa? It's a movie. And zonke lezinto ezenzakalayo zenzakala under the leadership eka Cyril Ramaphosa. All the bad things ezenzekayo. Right now, just this morning, I saw a video lapho khona ama-Somalians. They were attacking our police, abantu bemthetho. And you ask yourself, even nathi as South Africans, we respect amaphoyisa, we respect abantu bemthetho, we respect nemithetho ebekiwe la in our country. Manje afternoon, I saw a video, lapho khona, the illegal foreigners, because I would like to believe, if they were legal, they wouldn't do what they were doing. They were marching, attacking our government, the things that they were saying. You ask yourself, these people, why aren't they going to go and do those things in their countries? Why aren't they going to go and march against their government? Why aren't they going to go and make demands to their government, to their countries? So you ask yourself, what is happening like South Africa? Where you would have people coming to our country illegal, bangahloniphi imithetho yethu. I mean, just last year I was supposed to travel and go to Lesotho, but I could not go to Lesotho. I mean, Lesotho is just here. I mean, some of my family members are there, but I could not go there because of I could not find my passport. That was the reason why I could not go. And meaning irrespect imithetho ebekiwe lapho. So you ask yourself, people come to South Africa illegal and they do as they please. And today, the very same people who are illegal, they march against our government. You ask yourself, the demands that they are making, why aren't they going to go and make it to our leader wabo? Today, our leaders are being disrespected. I mean, some of us, some of us, see respect amaphoyisa. Just yesterday, I was driving with my friend. I was telling him, in all the things that you can do, kuyonke into ongayenza, abantu bomthetho, amaphoyisa, ama-traffic cop, mabakumisa endleleni, even where sometimes you can feel they are wrong. But those are people that you cannot argue with. Those are people that you must respect. But you'd have people coming from somewhere who are illegal, and that's why they will do illegal things because of yonke into. Even coming to our country, they came illegal. And you ask yourself, what is our government saying? What is our government saying? What is our president doing? With all the crime that is happening, you ask yourself, what is our government doing? But also, what do you expect? All the bad things have happened under the leadership of Cyril Ramaphosa.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Umgosi waseMzansi. South Africans are fuming ngendzaba yema-foreigners ukuthi kunabothishela labangasibo bala South Africa but bayafundzisa while sinabothishela labahleli emakhaya labanganamisebenzi. Sinema-lecture lafundzisa-ke ema-university laphuma emaveni angaphandle yathi sinema-lecture langafundzisa la South Africa. What happened athu lendzaba yokuthi umuntu lobiya ngaphandle loqasha ko usuka neskaskili kuphela. And sekucashwa wonke umuntu ama-foreigners ayasebenza drive ama-truck while South Africans are not working, while South Africans are unemployed. Bathi njena sisukumeni si-South Africa silwe nalendzaba yema-foreigner because that's really getting out of hand. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.